Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 24th of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 24th of October, 2024, our system has ranked Apple as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.68. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations. However, it currently reflects a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock currently resides in the midst of a weak upward trend in the short term, indicating that a further increase within this trend is anticipated. Analyzing the current 3-month trend reveals a potential change of approximately 6.89% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging 0.27% to 9.96%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of around 30.53% over the next year, with potential returns between 9.68% and 34.25%. This translates to a price range between $252.88 and $309.55 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline: Apple stock upgraded from sell candidate to hold accumulate after Thursday trading session. The Apple stock price decreased by approximately 0.0823% on the last day, which was Thursday, the 24th of October, 2024, falling from $230.76 to $230.57. This marks the third consecutive day of decline. During the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 1.06%, with a low of $228.41 and a high of $230.82. Over this period, the price has shown variability, resulting in a gain of 0.67% over the last 2 weeks. Trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is generally viewed as a positive sign, as trading volume should align with stock movement. On the last day, the trading volume dropped by 21 million shares, with a total of 30 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $6.9 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $237.49, while the lowest was $164.08. Currently, the price is 2.91% or $6.92 below the 52-week high of $237.49, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Apple Inc. continues to make headlines today, particularly regarding its iPhone segment. Analyst Eric Woodring from Morgan Stanley highlights an upcoming significant upgrade cycle for Apple's iPhones, which could positively influence stock performance in the short term as existing users are encouraged to upgrade. Meanwhile, the recent reporting on robust sales data for the iPhone 16 in key markets like China is particularly encouraging, forecasting strong fourth-quarter results that could further bolster investor confidence. Conversely, concerns about demand have also emerged, as Apple is reportedly cutting back iPhone orders, adjusting them downwards by approximately 10 million units. This mixed sentiment may lead to stock volatility in the near term as investors digest these developments. Looking ahead, analysts remain optimistic. Barton Crockett points to the anticipated iPhone 17 rollout and the integration of Apple Intelligence as major growth catalysts through the year 2026. The price target of $261 reflects a bullish outlook that factors in long-term growth potential. Earnings expectations for October 31st will be a critical moment for the stock, and the prevailing sentiment suggests that there could be significant movement in either direction based on performance. As Apple navigates these challenges and opportunities, the dynamics of the iPhone market will remain a key focus for investors aiming to capitalize on both short-term volatility and long-term gains. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, it was reported that UBS assigned Apple a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Bernstein also rated Apple as outperform with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 21st of October, 2024, Loop Capital Markets rated Apple as a buy with a hold recommendation. On that same Monday, Jefferies provided Apple with a hold rating, also recommending a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024, Morgan Stanley rated Apple as overweight with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. The stock for Apple currently presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a contrasting buy signal from the long-term average. Given that the short-term average is above the long-term average, this results in a general buy signal for the stock, leading to a positive forecast. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $233.23. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $227.03. A breakthrough above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will indicate a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also emerged, which could influence the near-term development. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Monday, the 21st of October, 2024, with the stock experiencing a decline of 2.5% thus far. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading session, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, the stock registered a golden star signal in the short-term chart. This golden star signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line converge in a unique combination. Such occurrences are quite rare and are often followed by substantial and sustained gains for the stock in question. Here are some additional signals that you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 4 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 4 days ago. The short-term moving average gives a sell signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presented a buy signal 26 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 15 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 122 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 110 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $228.20, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. In general, the stock tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered quite low. During the last day, The stock moved $2.41 between its high and low, representing a change of 1.06%. Over the last week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 1.56%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's first review some essential fundamental data. To begin, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is relatively standard and is often observed in companies with established histories or stable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 31st of October, 2024. Analysts are predicting consensus estimates at $1.55. It is crucial to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at 230.76. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a strategic point for swing trading. On the downside, Apple faces its first support level at 228.20. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Condo Chris, who bought and sold 17,989 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 25.343. Overall, insiders purchased 2,071,734 shares and sold 3,595,722 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $219.66, reflecting a decline of 4.73%. This stock exhibits very low daily movements, resulting in minimal risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal from a pivot top identified 3 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Apple presents several positive indicators. However, we do not consider these sufficient to classify it as a buy at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, meaning investors may choose to hold or accumulate more shares while awaiting further developments. Since our previous assessment, we have updated our conclusion for this stock from a sell to a hold or accumulate recommendation. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, October 25th, we anticipate that Apple will open lower, declining by approximately 63.7 cents, starting at a price of $229.93. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.